Alright, so right here I'm gonna show you how to convert 10 miles per hour into time. Right, we're gonna figure out how long did it take him this guy to drive 8 miles. Alright, so here you see this little car right here on the right hand side. Before he starts driving, he's at 0 minutes. Right, 0 minutes, 0 hours. Okay. If he drives for 1 hour straight, he's gonna cover 10 miles because he's going 10 miles per hour, right? Like that's the rate. So he's going 10 miles per hour. So in 1 hour, he's gonna cover 10 miles. Okay. If he's going 20 miles per hour, he's gonna cover 20 miles in 1 hour, right, and so on, right? So, but what we want to figure out, when he's over here, how 8 miles. What's the time, right? What's the time? We know over here is 1 hour. Or over here, what's the time, right? 1 hour is the same thing as 60 minutes, right? Right. So that's where the math problem comes in, right? So right here we're gonna do proportions, right? Similar to what we did last time. We're gonna do proportions, and notice that fractions, ratios are always fractions. If they tell you, oh, the person is going 60 miles per hour, is 60 over 1. Right here is 10 miles per hour, so it's 10 over 1 hour. But we're going to convert it to minutes. I'll explain why in a minute. So we're going to put 60 minutes, right? Because this is the same thing, right? It's the same thing as 10 miles per hour. It's the same thing as 10 miles per 60 minutes. The reason why I changed it to minutes, it's because over here in the diagram, we know that it's not going to be hours, it's going to be minutes, because it's 10, 8 right here is less than 10. So it's going to be, so this is going to be less than 1 hour. Hopefully I'm making sense. Right? So we said that this is what we're trying to figure out. The one where the question mark is at. We know that this cannot be more than 1 hour. We know that it has to be like 40 something minutes, right? But how do we find it? Right, that's why I converted it to minutes. Okay. So here we use proportions, so we know that miles is gonna go on top and minutes is gonna go in the bottom. Right? So in the problem they tell us that he drove for 8 miles. But for how long? And then from right here it's easy peasy. Right? You do 10 times x, which is 10x, equals 60 times 8. That one's hard, so I'm gonna do 6 times 8, which is 48, and then I add that 0 that I had omitted. So, and then I divide it by 10. Divided by 10, it says x equals 48, and that's how I got 48 minutes. Cool. All right.